Okay, brother. So this is strategy based on the how to distribute the risk. Think about trading, not think about that how you are trading. Think about the trading. If you are placing a $25 trade, right, which is 5-minute expiry, you are placing the trade which is $25, which have a 5-minute expiry. What are the possibilities? Win and loss. Can anyone tell me?
It would be ATM, sir.
50% win, 50% loss. It means one opportunity for win, one opportunity for loss. Am I right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
you're right.
Okay. So when you are placing the $25 trade for 5-minute expiry, at the end you will get the result you are winning or you are losing. So one possibility for win and one possibility for lose, right?
Yes.
So this is the setup every trader who is trading for 5-minute expiry. How we can maximize the profitable opportunity and minimize the risk. If I say I am placing the $5 trade, right? So how much I have opportunity for win about this $25? 5 opportunity for win, 5 opportunity for. So when I am placing the trade from here, right? I placed trade, all 5 trades I placed, and I changed the expiry time for every trade, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute. Instead of placing one trade of 5-minute expiry, I placed 5 trades with a different expiry. So how much you are expected that in the 5 trades, how much trades you can win? Maybe 2 trades move up, the third candle move down, right? Fourth candle move up. So now in this case, if you are placing the 4 trades is secured, the 5th is moving down, right? Sometimes we are facing this type. When we are placing the 5-minute trades,
Say light us
5-minute expiry, you will find this thing. 4 minutes from your entry point, market is up. At the last minute, market is down. Am I right? When you are placing the different expiries, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 trade for different expiries. 1 minute you won, second minute expiry you won, third minute expiry you won, fourth minute expiry you won, last trade you lose, right? It means the 4 trades you won, if the return is on the 5 is 4 into 4, $16 you won and only $5 you lost. So at the end you won how much? $11, right? But if you are placing only the one trade with a 5-minute expiry, what is the result here?
Loss.
But if you are placing the different expiries, 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, 5 minute. So it means the 5 expiries, 5 chance of win and 5 chance of loss, right? And here only one. So most of the time when you are following the trend, when you are following the good signals, 3 to 4 candles you will
I will
win.
hit you guys.
How to select the setup, that is another thing. But how to execute the trades, first you understand how to execute. See, I am watching for the signal. When I will get the signal, I will place the trades. And you see, that is the way to placing the trades. Do you see my video?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
So we can see this, sir.
Okay. Okay, see, 1 minute expiry, 1 trade placed. Second minute expiry, second trade placed. 3 minute expiry, third trade placed. fourth minute expiry, fourth trade placed. And last fifth minute expiry, fifth trade placed. So now how many trade placed?
5.
See. So now how many chances you have? Minimum 2, 3, 4 chances you have to win, right? If your selection is good, 5 trades you will win. But if you are only placing one trade for 5 minute expiry, on every candle, you will think maybe it will go up, maybe it will go down. But now you think that your risk is distributed. If one trade is closed in a profit, something you closed in a profit, right? From your investment, if first trade is closed, it means $7.7 is in your account. After every minute, one trade will be closed. After every minute. In the history, you will see after every minute you are trading. That was the secret. Now, when the second minute, first trade closed, 1 minute expiry remains on the second trade, right? When the second trade will be closed, the third trade will be remaining 1 minute expiry. So on every trade, have a different expiries. There are some trading videos I will share in the group. Only we will watch this one video and then we will move to the setup. In the history, you will see the one trade closed at this time. On the next minute, this trade will be closed in a profit. On the third minute, this trade will be in the profit. If someone watching your history, he is looking that there is a sell trade, but the candle is a green. How it is possible? Because no one knows about this technique, right? So now the third trade will be two trades we secured in a profit. Now the third trade is running. Your risk is distributed. Because I use so much time, the 5 minute expiries. Sometimes I have a good result, most of the time, bad result. So when we distribute our risk, it is based on the probability. So how you are distributing your risk in your trading. On every minute, you are securing something. So when you are placing the $5 trade of 5 minute expiry, so you can use every trade for $1 for 5 trades with different expiries. So minimum one lot will be your for one session will be $5 session, right? So in the 5 trades, mostly I saw that 3 trades you will win. If you are winning the 3 trades, you will be closed in the break even, or sometime in a profit if the profit ratio is high. So mostly your session will be closed in something which is in your account. But when you are using the one expiry, then you know that 50% chance of winning and 50% chance of losing. So the fourth trade is closed in a profit. Now the fifth trade is on the way, it's running. The selection of the entry point, that is the art, where we will select the entry point. Now I will talk on this, on the selection of the entry point, right? This trade will be closed, then I will talk. Some days before I talk about the market.
With his connection, internet connection. So now he coming. Okay, I will make him host.
All right.
Right? This is your evening star. After this evening star, think that how much candles move down? Free candles move down. Again, there is the evening star. See, minimum 3 to 4 candles move down, right? Again, there is the evening star. Minimum 3 to 4 candles move down. So this is what? That is the similarity. So you will see the market past, what is showing you. Follow the next in the future. The next similarity I'm showing you. So much similarities, live chart, we will go for the similarities, but these are the important thing, okay? See here. When you found the market is breaking the 21 SMA, right? When it is retesting, is it an evening star? Am I right? After this evening star, market is moving down. Again, there is the evening star. 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 So, it means that when market is giving you a breakout and starting the downtrend on the corrective wave, when the impulse wave is starting, which pattern you are getting, the next 3 times you will get the same pattern, right? Next 3 times you will get the same pattern. So what will be your entry point? This is your test, right? This is your test. Now from, you see here, this evening star is near to the SMA 21. So this evening star is near to the SMA 21, right?
Yes, sir.
So we will start from here. This evening star is near to the SMA 21. We will start from here for 5-minute trades, right? From here. What is we saw? We saw this one, right? This is our reference. This is our reference. Now, when you get the one reference, you will get the 2 opportunities for the trading. Okay. More similarities in the market.
So is it mandatory that next reference will be near the SMA?
I'm showing you. Everything will be clear. You see here, the trend is changed from here, right? So first reference you see, when the trend is changing, the first reference is breaking the SMA again, then moving up for 5 to 10 candle. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
This is your what?
Range.
Not range. This is your reference, right? This is your reference.
Reference.
Now wait for the second reference. When market is coming down and breaking the 21 SMA, the same thing do you getting? See, which is the pattern? A morning star, right? Which is the pattern? Morning star. Is it the same pattern which is breaking the 21 SMA then moving up? It is the same pattern which is breaking the 21 SMA moving up. So at that time, you don't think that this is a, again, new trend is forming. It is a fake breakout of the 21 SMA. Because this is your reference. This is your reference. One time it is a fake breakout, the next time will be the fake breakout, the third time will be the fake breakout. Right? What is it? It is similarity in the market. It is similarity in the market. Come to this point now. Right? When it's breaking, touching, it means first retest and then market move. It is complete. It is complete, right? Now the second reference, first reference, the second movement, and then from here you see the third movement. The similar movement you will follow, because now this time market is not leaving the 8 SMA. From here to here, it is every time following the 8 SMA. So till this time level, you can get the where you find the similarity you can use. Okay, one more thing now. Okay, here. See, when it's breaking the 21, the market reverse back. The next time breaking the 21, market is reversing back. Next time breaking and then reverse back. So why? This is your reference. That if first time it is fail, the more two time it will be the fail, right? And now between this breakout and between this breakout, what is not reaching to the 21 and moving down, right? So now with this breakout and this breakout at the between, not touching the 21 SMA, moving back. See here, with this breakout and this breakout, is it a similar movement?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now the next picture. When market is moving up, then moving down, up, down, right? This is what? It is your reference. See, the next reference is the same. This movement in the market and now this movement in the market, is it the same or different?
Same, sir.
What is the difference? This movement have a more momentum, this movement have a less momentum. Then what you will think?
We cannot expect third
Yes,
one.
yes. Because now the trend will change. The momentum of the first reference, the momentum of the second reference, the momentum of the third reference, if you are thinking that the momentum is increasing or decreasing, increasing, you will see the next reference. Decreasing, you will find the new breakout and market will move in up or following the new trend, right? See here now. So this movement and this movement, we can say increased momentum with wave size, decreased momentum wave size. The trend is changed because previous momentum is decreased, right? Okay. So how we can trade this part? If you are getting the first part of the reference, then you can trade the second part of the reference. If the second part of the reference have a same momentum, then you can trade the third part of the reference, right? If the second part of the momentum decreasing, then don't trade the third. Okay. In the next other movements, you can see when market was moving up, down, up. This is the first movement, right? After this movement, market is moving down, moving up, and then down, right? After that, again, market is moving up, down, down. So three movements. How much movements? 1, 2, 3 movement. Now see, is it the same first movement? This movement is the same. This movement and this movement is the same. Now market is not giving the third movement. At that time, market again repeating from the first movement. First movement, second movement, then third movement. So what we will find? We will find the similarities in the market. When you will find the similarities, you will be able to find the reversal point from where the market will follow the trend or from where the market will reverse the trend. So find the similarities, not find that is a support that we can trade from this support, from this resistance. No, if there is no similarity, then market will behave differently. If there is the same similarity, then market will behave with the similarity. So here, now you just to see, is it a similarity when the market is touching first time, then moving up, then breaking first time moving up. So this is your reference. Touching first time, market moving up. Touching second time, not, but second time breaking, then moving up. Okay. Now touching, this is your reference. Touching first time, then moving up. Breaking first time, then moving up. Am I right? So do you
Yes.
see that is a similarity in the market? A current, it's moving. Again, you see touching, moving up, breaking, moving up. So three similarities you will see in the market. So many traders at this area, they will understand now that is the breakout, market will follow down. They will, when it's a breaking, they will see it's a retest, then it will placing for the 5-minute put option, market will move for the call option. Why they fail? Because they are following the breakout concept, that if there is a breakout, it will be the retest, then it will go down. But they are not following what market is following.
Sir,
So
I think zigzag indicator could be useful for this.
no, brother. Zigzag is running on the current waves, right? So it will not give you the prediction of the next wave. Only it will show you what is going in the past, right? So you train your mind. Move.
Okay, sir.
See here, right? So this is your movement. Okay.
Right, sir.
Again.
Not.
So every reversal you
No.
see, is it touching the 21 SMA or not?
Not.
No.
Just 8 MA.
Yes, 8 MA only, right? But 21, we are talking about the 21, right? Because
No, sir, no
the
hesitation.
first reference is, it is not touching the 21, it is moving down, right? And every reference is the evening star, every reversal is the evening star, every reversal is the evening star, every reversal is the evening star, right?
Oh,
Yes.
So this is the market similarity. When market is starting the wave, it will follow the past wave. What is going on? So you need to wait for the breakout and first reference. Then follow the 2-3 movement and see the momentum. It is continuing, you will continue. Don't go against. So you just to think here. Now the ABC strategy. If I say this evening star don't have a
Retracement.
retracement, this evening star don't have a retracement, right? And this evening star on the retracement, it is a very small candle. But you see, if we are batching everything, this candle and this candle and this candle have a difference in the size. It means it is not similarity in the candle. Don't follow the candles then, right? Okay, on the next, any other pair, we will find the similarity. So now see here, while it is breaking, brother, it is breaking. After breaking, again a breakout, then market move down, right?
yes, sir.
Again breakout, market move down. Again breakout, market move down. Breakout, market move down. Breakout, market move down. You think that? So market, it is following the past. If past breakouts are fail, the next breakout will be the fail, right? See here. How you will say the trend is enough? When the trend started, retested, market move up, right? So first retest, you can trade for 5 minutes. Now you see, from this level, this is a movement, right? Do you see the movement from here?
No.
So it means the market will not follow. The market will change the trend. You have an idea now. The market, if it follow the trend, then it must show you the same thing. Otherwise, it will create a range. Maybe the trend will change, and trend changed, right? So if the first movement is your reference, the first movement, if you see the second movement is the same, then the third movement you will follow. The second movement also follow from the first movement. Now come to this point here. The first breakout, right? here. Move up, move down. The second breakout also moving down. Moving down. So this is a big candle. It's a inside bar, then moving down. So the similarities you will find like this. This is the same like a ABC. So think here, when it is breaking, touching, then moving up. This is your reference. So is it the same thing with the reference like no? Then you don't follow this one. It must
Break
be
21 SMA.
yes. It means it is not matching with the first reference. This is the fake, right? When market is in a volatility or it is in a news, then it will not follow any pattern. Otherwise, it will follow everything. So here, it is coming down, right? Then see here, when it's breaking, so you can find the similar movements in the trend. If you are finding the similar movement, you will find the similar market movements. So also you can find the similar movements. Sometimes we are finding that the first movement is this one, a red candle, right? Then a green candle, and then it's a breakout, right? So this is your reference. Now the three candles move down, okay? And then again we found the same two candles. Then what you will think? If it is a breakout, then how many candles will move down? One, two. Two more it will move down. And if on the third time, if you are getting the same thing, and if it is a breakout, right? So what you will expect? Two more candles.
Goes down.
This reference you will find, right? I'm showing you again. Same reference is on the next wave, right? When it's breaking, when it's breaking, when it's breaking. See, from here, first breakout, reversal, right? Second breakout, reversal. Third breakout, reversal. Is it a perfect match? So you can follow these things, right? Then you will think, what will be the next movement? If you understand these similarities, then you will be able to understand from where the market can reverse, from which support and resistance market can reverse, and when it will continue, what will be the next pattern. These idea you will get from to understand the market similarities. Get the references from the past market. The next market will give you the same thing, what is in the past. So market, see here, when market was moving up, right? How many candles was green? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in a row, right? On the same level, market moving down, when it's moving up, for every motive wave, we are finding the correction. 6 type of correction are there. Zigzag, double zigzag, triple zigzag, flat, double flat, triple flat. So these patterns, after any trend, you will find. So when you are finding the flat movement, it will be like this one. Definitely the next movement will be the same like a first movement. So this is the first part, this is the second part, this is the third part. If that is a flat movement, if that is a triple zigzag, you will find the same movement in the past, in the future, and then in the here. So that is, I'm saying, find the similarities. So market is working on this one. I think everyone understood. So it increases your work to research on the similarities. As much as possible, everyone, if everyone find the one similarity in a different pair and post in the group, you know that 40 to 50 concepts and 40 to 50 references you will get from the group. And it will increase your accuracy about the market movement. So work together and find the similarities, understand the similarities, then and talk in the group. If someone finds the similarity, post in the group. Attention, everyone get attention. That is there is a similarity in this pair and follow. If it is a true, then it will move up. So work together about these things. So I found that at the end, the market is the market key is hidden in the similarities of the market. So you know about the patterns, you know about the support and resistance, you know about everything. So only the remaining thing was the market similarity. So I think that when you will complete the market similarity, then your everything will be finished. So the last was this. So that is the key of your trading. And the trading videos, which is only the risk distribution, that you distributed your risk. You can trade only one, you can trade two, five, it's up to you. But if you want to distribute your risk, then you can use that setup. Otherwise, focus on the market similarities. Otherwise, focus on the market similarities. Right? So if there anyone have a question, I can answer him.
Sir, this two lines SMA, one is 8 and one is 21, no, sir?
One is 21 SMA, second is 20, second is 8. Why I'm using that when the candles are breaking the 21 SMA, I think that the market is changing the trend. Okay, and the crossover is confirming me, right? When the candles are above the 8 SMA, it is showing that the market have a more strong momentum, right?
Okay. Uptrend.
And one thing more, I remember now, when you are using the ABC strategy, so you can use this same technique in the demo account. When you are getting the ABC setup, place the 5 trade for 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 expiries, right? On every ABC setup, you can test it. Mostly you will win from the ABC setup.
So for 5-minute candle, no, sir?
No. When I'm sharing with you videos, you will understand how we can place the trades, right?
Okay.
From those videos, but we will discuss about these all concepts day by day. So just that is the main thing about the trading. So now when you see that market have this type of movement, this MAs and this movement and so many fractals from the upside, it is showing you market is in a range. Market is in a range. And the similar patterns you will find. So find the similarities in the market. The similar pattern, what was in the past, when the evening star you found in the past, the next candle was a green or red. And then when the new pattern will form of evening star, they match with the past, you will find the candle that what will be the after evening star candle. Right?
Sir, for example, after breaking out, our first setup was giving us three opportunity. Like after dark cloud, like after shooting star, it was three red candles, and in second candle it was three. Then we can also expect in third setup that it should be a three candle, not five.
Yes. Same. See, I will show you here. So a big green candle, right? And find another big green candle. You will see after the green candle, what is the candle? You will find the same candle. So match the patterns, like as you talk with me, you match the patterns, right?
Right.
So find the similarities, and I hope that it will help you in your trading. And one more thing, when you are trading, the 5 expiries only trade within the trend, not in the range. In the range, you will fail. In a strong momentum, how you can trade when the candles are above the 21, above the ATM, SMA. It is a strong momentum, you will get the good results, right? So practice on it and hope everyone will get the success.
Sir,
And
one more
with,
thing, please.
yes.
Sir, is there any sign if on first breakout or first breakout of SMA or this one thing that we can go straight for our trades?
Yes. See. See here. When you found a breakout, then market move up, right?
Right.
Again you found, then again market move up, right? This time when it's breaking, is it moving up? No. Then what you will think? That now market will give you the different movement. Then market will give you the different movement. So 3 reference you already traded from the beginning. The 4th reference, now the market is changing the direction. So follow first 2 and 3. If you see the momentum is decreasing on the second, then don't trade the third. See the momentum. See the candles, how much candles you are getting. If it is similar to the first one, then follow the second, follow the third. If there is a difference, too much difference in a momentum in a candles, then don't trade with the third. Okay?
Okay, what you're setting on the fractal indicator?
It's a default. It is a default.
Okay.
Okay. And
Okay.
another thing, with if we are using the fractals, so here see how we can get an entry from the fractal, right? The lower fractal, what is showing? Can anyone tell me? And the upper fractal, what will show?
Lower is the lower low and upper is the higher high.
Okay. Can I say the sellers are weak, buyers want to change the trend, right?
Yes, sir.
Can I say buyers are weak, sellers want to change the trend, right? Can I say buyers want to change the trend? How many times buyers want to change the trend between this movement? One time and 2 times,
Two.
right?
Okay.
Yes.
And again here, who is saying?
Buyers want to change the market.
Right? And who is fail?
Yes.
Buyer is failed.
Yes. Want to change the
Sellers.
market.
Okay.
Sellers failed.
So what you will
Seller is
think?
failed.
What you will think? That the market
Uptrend.
will give you the uptrend or downtrend?
Uptrend. Uptrend.
Okay. This movement, this movement, this movement, right, brother?
Buyer.
And this 3 movement is showing the buyers are not agree to go for downtrend, right?
Yeah. Yeah.
They are showing the support. They know the downtrend, it's not possible here.
Sir, if you see fractal choice break strategy is also
No.
working here, sir.
Yes, that is working, but this is a different concept. Okay, just to think.
Yeah,
Here, again, the sellers reduce the price from here to here. Now, how many times you get the fractal from buyer? 2 times.
2 times.
So what you will think?
Go up.
That it will go up, right?
Right.
It means the buyers are interested more than the sellers. Okay. Okay, now
What
come
is
here.
fractal
Default period 5.
five?
Okay. So in this movement here and in this movement, what do you think? Who is saying you? The buyers are saying move will go up, right? And
Yes,
then
sir.
we continue. So read the fractals like this one, right? Okay, here. This fractal and this fractal. Okay. How many fractals are more than up? Which fractals are more? From the
Same, sir.
seller side, from the buyer side?
Same, sir. Both are same.
No.
Oh,
From the buyer
buyers is
sides are increasing, right?
yes, sir. Yes.
So what you will think? Market will move up, right? Who is speaking?
Umar Dawoodi.
Okay. 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 So you can use the fractals. Only I am using these fractals for this concept. The fractals are telling that who is interested in the market, right? And one more thing. When
Sir, is there any modification of this fractal so we can use accurate signals?
It is a default. Okay. Think here.
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is a trend line. Same concept which I am teaching every time, right? So what you will expect when it is breaking, it is touching, moving down, touching, not touching, breaking, then moving down, right? Now tell me the second time is the same thing or not? The second time again breaking, then it's reversing, right? So the similarities will be the same. If first time, the second time will be the same. Don't think that the second time it's breaking, then it will move up so much high. No. See the past reference. Breaking, then moving down. Breaking, then if in the first reference moving down, the second reference will be moving down. Right?
So here we need to take the trend line from bottom side.
From bottom side. If it is uptrend, then bottom side. If it is downtrend, then from upside. Right?
Okay.
Okay. So practice it.
We could make a lot of money, sir, with this if you find the way to similarities of markets, sir.
Yes, similarities of market. I think everything is in it. See here. So now don't think the irrelevant movement, because irrelevant movement, those traders will face those who are not aware about the similarities of the market, right? So now you will be understand, you will be able when it's breaking, it's touching, moving up, touching, moving up. The next time, 100% you will be sure that market will move up. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So practice on it. Inshallah, next time again I will talk so much about it, and I'm also working on it. But I find the more easiest concepts about this type of similarities. But share these all the pictures which you are finding in the market that everyone can get benefit, right?
Okay.
Any other member? If
Yes,
you
I have
have
a doubt, sir.
Yes.
Sir, I have a doubt.
First reference, how can find when
After
the,
breakout. After breakout, retest, move up. It is your first reference. After first reference, how you will find? A first reference is your breakout, retesting, moving up. It is your first reference. So here, when it is breaking, again breaking, then moving up. What is it? It is your first reference. The next time it will break, move up, it is your second. Third time breaking up, move up, it's your third, right?
Right, sir.
Okay. Yes, someone was a doubt.
Yeah,
You can
sir,
ask me.
I was asking a question, sir. I have a doubt,
Yes,
but
brother.
not with respect to this topic, sir. It's regarding SNR level. Can I ask you, sir?
Yes, yes, ask.
Yeah. Sir, okay. So this is with in the ranging market, once we draw the horizontal levels, right? I draw horizontal support and horizontal resistance line, and
Yes.
I trade in 5 minutes candle expiration time, sir.
Yes.
Okay. So I will draw the levels and I'll be waiting so that if the candle is closing on the level or in between those support or resistance area, then I
Yes.
will place a trade is what I will be waiting. But
Yes.
what usually happens is the candle will touch that level and it will drastically come down, sir. And I will miss the opportunity of placing a
Yes.
trade. So
Okay.
can you explain the reason why
Yes.
it happens, sir?
Yes. Yes. Brother, when you are getting any SNR level, right?
Yes, sir.
If this is a zone, right?
Correct.
In this zone, first of all, you find the movement. What was the movement, right?
Yes.
If it is moving up in this way, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. It is breaking, closed here, right?
Yeah.
Then after this candle, you got the red candle, but
Correct.
in this type of candle, right?
Yes, sir.
So when the market next time coming, see this movement. When it is touching the resistance, how market is moving down? How
Okay.
market is
Market
moving
is.
down? The next time when it will touch, right?
Yes, sir.
Don't trade immediately for 5 minute expiry, right? See,
Okay.
is it the same pattern at this level?
Okay. Okay. Okay.
If that is the same pattern, then place a 5 minute trade. Otherwise, don't.
Okay. Okay, sir.
Wow.
Right?
So
Yes,
if
sir.
it's not the same pattern, but it's a strong reversal pattern, then
Then you
Then
know,
different.
you look at. If this SNR is giving you guarantee that it will go for 5 minute down, tell me, if this SNR giving you any guarantee that it will go for 5 minute down, okay, 1 minute reversal, then market move up, what you will do?
Correct.
1 minute
right, sir.
moving down, then again market moving up for 3-4 minutes. If it is the same, 95% chances market will move down for and following the same wave. Right?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
If what you will confirm that in this area, if this movement is the same movement, then market will follow this wave. If it is a different, then possible it can go down and possible it can go up.
Okay.
Right?
Okay, sir.
So why I'm saying like that one? When on this trend line I got a morning star, right?
Yeah.
Then it move up. The next time on this support, when I'm getting the morning star, it is moving up.
True.
So
So if you
similarities,
get the same setup, the winning ratio will be more, is what you're saying.
more. You will not face
Yes,
the
sir.
losses, right?
Okay. Okay. Got it.
But if this pattern is different, then there is a risk. I will show you something more here, right? I will find something on this type of condition, right? Look at here. On this support, when I got this pattern, right, brother?
Yes, sir.
Then on this support, this pattern, is it similar? Here, see.
No, sir.
Then after this movement, do you see this movement, right?
Okay. Got it,
Sir.
sir. Yeah.
Then
First
it is
cool
moving
off.
in a different way.
Correct. Correct.
In a different
Different
way.
way.
Yes. Right?
True,
Right,
sir.
sir.
So most of the time when you will find the different pattern, then you will find the different movement. Okay? See here. Is it a similar? Is it a similar? Is it a similar? Then market will move down for the similar movements, right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Quite similar.
Okay. See here. This is pattern on this support. This is pattern. Similar or different?
Different.
Different, sir.
Then this result is different than this result,
Yes.
Yep.
Yes.
right? So similarity we will find, right? When you will open so much chart, then you will find so much dissimilarities. See here. On this resistance level, this pattern and this pattern is very similar, right?
Yes, sir.
Then this candle you can trade. So you find like the all similarities in the market, right? Now this is a support, right?
Right, sir.
On this support, don't place immediately trade. First you will get the same type of candle, then place the second candle, right?
Okay.
Right, sir.
If you are finding the similarities, then you can trade like this one. But if you are using the volume analysis, then the first reversal you can get. It is possible. Now tell me here, on this support, this pattern and this pattern is looking same.
Yes, sir.
Only one candle move up, only one candle move up, right?
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Now tell me here, on this resistance, this pattern is same, right? This pattern is
Yes, sir.
same. Again, this pattern is same, right? So you
Yeah,
are
right,
getting
sir.
the one candle here, one candle here, one candle here. You can trade like, right?
Okay. Yes, sir. Yes,
So
sir.
I think it is clear now.
Yes,
Yeah,
sir.
yeah. Pretty much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, brother. Any other question? See here, the similarity. Is it the same similarity?
Yep.
Find the similarities on the resistance support. See here, is it a similarity on this support? After this similarity, market reverse back, right? After this similarity, market reverse back. After reversing back, then market move up. Again, then move up. When again market reversing back, again reversing back. Again moving up, again moving up.
Yes, sir.
Understood? Okay. So I think it is enough for today. The next time, more things we will discuss. Thank you so much. If you have any question, you can write in the group. I will answer you, or you can send me personally. No problem. Right, brothers?
Sir, last request, sir. Kindly please, whenever as possible, sir, kindly reply our answer, sir. Question, sir.
Okay. I have
Thank you
so
so much,
much
sir.
queries because from the 2-3 days I was offline. So now I am slowly I am giving all the answers, and then inshallah I will give all the answers today.
Sir, could we have the recorded session?
Yes, brother.
Could we have the recorded session?
What, brother?
Because I came late.
Okay, brother. This is this video is recorded. You will get every this video. You will get, right.
Okay, thanks.
Okay, thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you so much.
Allah Hafiz, sir.
Allah Hafiz.